Hey, third grade, we are going to go over the Lesson 12 problem set. The problem set we do together, or you can try it on your own and then check your answers against mine. And the homework page is the one that you are going to do on your own, but they are really close to being the exact same thing. So if you can understand what I am doing with the problem set, it will help you on the homework page. So let's look at number one. Number one. There are 8 birds at the pet store. 2 birds are in each cage. Circle to show how many cages there are. Okay, so let's put these 2 birds in a cage together, and then we can put these 2 birds in a cage, and these 2 birds in a cage, and these 2 birds in a cage. The problems that I have to answer are right down here. Here's my 2 blanks. It says 8 divided by 2 equals. That means I had 8 birds, and I put 2 in each cage, so that means altogether I have 4 cages. There are 4 cages of birds. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2. The pet store sells 2 fish. They equally divide the fish into 5 bowls. Draw a fish to find the number in each bowl. All right, so we are imagining these little fish, and they are in this bowl, and we have 10 fish all together. So we're going to put 1 fish in each bowl, and Mrs. Todd is not going to draw a fish right now. I'm just going to use a dot for 1 fish, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 fish. I still have 10 fish. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I look at my question, it's asking me to fill in those 3 blanks. 5 times what equals 10? Well, if I look, I have 5 groups of 2, so I'm going to know that that answer is 5 times 2 equals 10. Now I'm going to switch that to a fact family of a division fact sentence. So I had 10 fish divided into 5 bowls, means I have 2 fish in each bowl. There are 2 fish in each bowl. Let's take a look at number 3. Number 3, my directions say to match. So I'm going to draw some lines from what this is. I'm going to draw some thinking bubbles up here, so that helps me remember. If I am looking at 10 divided by 2, I am thinking in my head, how many 2's does it take to equal 10? It's not a very good thought bubble, is it? I didn't make it big enough. So if I count by 2's, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, that means it's 5 2's to get me to 10. Let me erase my thought bubble over here. I'll go back and draw the lines in just a second. I'm just going to think on these rabbits first, where he goes to which carrot. 16 divided by 2. I'm going to count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. It takes me 8 2's to get to 16. So 16 divided by 2 is 8. My next rabbit, it says 18 divided by 2. Okay, how many 2's do I need to get to 18? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. It takes me 9 2's to get to 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. My next rabbit is 14 divided by 2. How many 2's do I need to get to 14? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I need 7 2's to get to 14. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. And 12 divided by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I need 6 2's to get to 12. So that answer is going to be 6. So now if I connect my rabbits to that line, 16 divided by 2 equals 8. So he gets the first carrot. This rabbit gets the 5 carrot. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So he gets the carrot right underneath of him. 14 divided by 2 equals 7. She gets this carrot. And then 12 divided by 2 is 6. That rabbit gets that carrot. Okay, let's read this one. Number 4. Lena buys 14 meters of rope. She cuts her ribbon. She cuts her ribbon into 2 equal pieces. How many meters long is each piece? Label the tape diagram to represent the problem, including the unknown. So let's think about what we already know. How long is Lena's ribbon total? I'm going to put a text box in here because it's going to be easier for me to type this than it is to try to write it with my finger in this box. So I'm going to put it in here and move it right inside here. So the total thing that I know, that's what goes on the bottom of the tape diagram, I know that Lena has 14, is it inches? Oops. 14 meters. Couldn't remember my label. 14 meters of ribbon. What I need to know is how long then, if she takes this ribbon and cuts that 14 meters right in half into 2 pieces, how big is each piece? Well, I'm going to do something a little bit different because if I'm dividing, I'm thinking about splitting that up so I can use a picture to help me figure that out. So if I give each piece 1 meter of ribbon until I get to 14, I can figure out how many I have. So there's 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters, 7 meters, 8 meters, 9 meters, 10 meters, 11 meters, 12 meters, 13 meters, 14 meters. How long is each piece? If I put a text box in, because it's asking me to fill in not only the answer, but also the tape diagram, okay, 7 meters for, I don't need to put on there. I'm just going to put 7 meters. 1 piece is 7 meters. I don't need to try to label all of that together. Okay, and now it's asking me to put an answer right down here. Each piece is how many meters long? It's 7 meters long. Okay, number 5. Roy eats 2 cereal bars every morning. I almost said Roy eats 2 boxes of cereal every morning. That would be a lot of cereal. Each box has a total of 12 bars. How many days will it take Roy to finish 1 box? This time we don't know how many days, we just know how many bars he has. So here I'm going to draw a tape diagram still. I like tape diagrams. But I'm only going to draw 1 piece of the tape diagram at a time because I don't know how many. But I do know on my total, this is how I can't draw that fancy line at the bottom, so I just draw a total. I know that he has 12 bars total. So that's my label. I'm going to box it in, put it underneath there. What I need to figure out is how many days he can keep all 12 of those bars. So I'm going to draw dotted lines here because I don't know how long my tape diagram is going to be. But I do know that he eats 2 bars every day. So that's the label for what that piece means. So Roy eats 2 cereal bars. I'm not going to use blue, I want to use a different color. This day. All right, he still has some more. So I can draw another day. He eats 2 cereal bars that day. So far he's had 4 cereal bars. I'm going to keep track down here. 2, 4. He's still got enough for another day. 2, 4, 6 cereal bars. He still has more. He's got 12. Oops. Undo that. Wrong thing. Pencil. And now he eats 2 more this day, so he's at 8 bars. He still has more cereal bars, so he can go another day. 2 more cereal bars. He's at 10 cereal bars. He still has more cereal bars. And now he's at 12 cereal bars. I'm still going to put an answer, even though I can see right now that it was going to take him 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days. I'm going to write this because my question says how many days will it take. I'm going to make sure I put my answer over to the side so someone can find it. It's going to take him 6 days to eat that 1 box of cereal bars. And number 6. Sarah and Esther equally share the cost of a present. The present cost $18. How much does Sarah pay? I'm going to draw a tape diagram. Okay. I know that total, that present cost $18. I know that Sarah pays some. And I know, I'm going to put an S there for Sarah. Sarah pays some money and Esther pays some money. Okay? So how much money are they each paying? So $1 here, $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18. How much does Sarah pay? They both pay the same. How much money is it? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sarah pays $9. Does Esther pay the same, or is it unfair? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Esther also pays $9. So while you're doing your homework page, if you get stuck on one of the ones that is on your homework page and you're not sure what to do, you can come back and check the video again to make sure that I gave you the right directions or that you have an idea of what to